Hello children, today we will do the construction from exercise 4.2 number 3. Okay, you have to draw rhombus BEND and two sides are given to you. Okay, the measurement of BN is given to you and DE is given to you. So these are the measurements of sides or diagonal. We don't know about that. So for that reason what we will do is draw a rough sketch. Okay, if we draw a rough sketch, then we can identify whether the given measurements are of diagonal or the sides. Okay, so let us draw. Okay, so I have drawn here in this way BEND. This is the rhombus that I have drawn. And so after drawing, after naming it, I can identify and know that BN and DE are the diagonals. Okay, see BN 5.6, DE, okay, DE is 6.5 centimeter. Right. Both the given measurements are of two diagonals of the rhombus. Children, always remember that in a rhombus, the four sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal to each other. But children, in the rhombus, since there are two diagonals, one diagonal is a little big and the other is a little small. Okay. So let us start our construction. This is our rough sketch which helped us, isn't it, to help us identify whether these are sides or diagonals. So these two are the sides, right? So children, let us start with the construction and accordingly I will tell you how we will identify, how we will know about the sides. Okay, sides are not given but we will find out the sides. Okay, so let us start. So what we will do is that first we will draw a diagonal, right? One diagonal we will draw. Children, this is 5.6, right? I will draw this diagonal 6.5. This is the bigger diagonal, okay? And one more point is that this is an odd number, okay? Even number we will keep, okay? Because this will at the end help us know the sides, okay? So what we will do is first draw the diagonal 6.5. Also this is a bigger diagonal and as well as a odd number, right? Let us draw 6.5, right? Let us draw 6.5 centimeter, okay? .5 centimeters. See, this much is 6.5. Okay, so we are done. DE, let us name DE. Okay, we have drawn. Now children, what we will do is that we will draw the perpendicular bisectors. Okay, now children, one thing I will tell you now. Always know one thing is that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Okay, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, then this is also 90 degree. Bisect each other at 90 degree, right angles. Okay, this is right angles. And also bisect each other. Means, see, this is 5.6 centimeter, isn't it? That means this from here to this part and from here to this part it is half half, half of 5.6. So 5.6 if we divide by 2, 5.6 if we divide by 2, suppose 2 2s are 4, 1 8s are 16, right? 2.8 means the half of 5.6 is 2.8, means this much part is 2.8 and again this much part is 2.8. Same with 6.5. Okay, half half, here half, this one half. So children, now we will draw the perpendicular bisectors, because in a rhombus the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So what we will do is that from this point E, and we will take more than half. So this is the half, right? If we estimate, more than half will be somewhere here. Okay, more than half we have to take. So this is more than half that I have taken. You all can see. Okay, this is more than half that I have taken. So all of you will draw an arc here in this way. Okay, and then one arc in this way here. Okay, like this. Then from here we will draw one arc, and again one arc in this way. So taking more than half, I have drawn arc in this way from point D, both the sides. From here E, also both the sides I have drawn. Okay, now children, we have drawn the perpendicular bisectors, right? So we will just make the points little prominent, okay, little clear. Now we will draw the line, okay? We will draw the line, and very neatly and very nicely you need to draw, okay? It should be just perfect. Okay, so we are done with the perpendicular bisector. So children, you can little bit estimate that the sides of the rhombus will be in this way, isn't it? But now how to find out the side? That's the main point, because the measurement of the sides are not given to us. Okay, now children, the line is drawn. So 6.5 diagonal we have already drawn. Now it's time for us to draw 5.6. Okay, so what is the half of 5.6? It is 2.8. So what we will do is, from this point we will draw 2.8, 2.8. Okay, so for that I have to take the measurement first. 2.8 measurement I will take in this way. Okay, 5, 6, 7. This is 2.8. Okay, very minutely you have to take correctly. Little. So from here to here. Okay, 2.8 I have taken. So from this point I will. So children, 2.8 I will draw in this way. Okay, and again in this way. Yes, we have drawn the arcs. Okay, little make it dark so that we can understand. So this is the point, and this is the point of 2.8, right? Now what we will do is that we will join the lines like this. Yes, very nicely we will join all the lines, and that will be our required rhombus. So here is it. Children, very minutely you observe, here we are not drawing. Okay, this is the 2.8 mark now I have drawn in this way. So here we will join. Okay, so let us join in this way. again in this way. So we are done with the joining part. So children, this is the required rhombus. Okay, our rhombus is done. In this way you will construct a rhombus when two diagonals are given.